Check, 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 mic check. In this video, I'm going to show you how to choose winning offers in Clickbank for your Bing ads, Microsoft ads, whatever you want to call them. Because if you don't get this right, you're not going to make any money. It's going to be zero, nada, goose egg, whatever you want to call broke. You're not going to make any money if you don't get this part right. I don't care how funky and nice your funnel is. Stay tuned. Okay, welcome back. So here in a little bit, I'm going to flip over my screen, show you a couple things. But I wanted to touch on really choosing winning offers. Okay. And I've done this when it comes to Clickbank. I've done this when it comes to JV Zoo, Warrior Plus, Max Bounty. It's all pretty much the same. But for this specific video, I'm going to be talking about Clickbank offers. So if you want me to do Max Bounty and stuff, just take the same type of information and provide it to that platform. But I will be creating a video on that as well. And so welcome back, by the way. Thanks for holding on with me, Antonio X Carter, showing you how to make money online when it comes to affiliate marketing, social media marketing, agency stuff, solo ads, you name it, I've done it, and I teach it here on this channel when it comes to making money. So please be sure to give me a thumbs up down below this video. Check out my descriptions down below because I'm giving you a free Bing ads course down there, and this takes you from A to Z to help you make your first dollars online when it comes to affiliate marketing and using Bing ads with all these different platforms. I hold nothing back. Okay, I really teach you how to do this stuff. There's no excuse you can't make no money because I teach you for free. And please hit that subscribe button and drop me some comments down below. So now on to it. First thing you want to do, go to clickbank.com and you want to find a winning offer. And so let me go ahead and flip over my screen. All right, guys. So as you see, I haven't ran any ads. I'm in my Microsoft Bing, Microsoft ads account, Bing ads account. I haven't done any traffic this month yet, and I'm going to be starting from scratch, showing you guys a lot of stuff. So stay tuned so that you can see how I do things. And like I told you, the first thing you want to do is go to clickbank.com. If you have not created an account, please go ahead and do so. It is free. This is one of the most trusted accounts with their products. I know you've probably seen this whole type of demonstration before, but just hang in there with me. Maybe you'll get some tidbits and some new stuff that somebody else has not taught you. Okay. And so the reason that you want to come here and find a winning offer, first of all, is because if you don't have a good offer, you are not going to make any money. The most common problem that I hear affiliate marketers having is that their funnel is set, they have good traffic, they spend all this money, and then they come back and say, hey, I didn't make any sales. Hey, how come I'm not making any money? There's no profit. This does not work. It is a scam. Well, you're a scam because you didn't do all of your homework before sending like any money to all this stuff. So first of all, most of your money, you're almost guaranteed to make money in the following markets: health, wealth, and relationships. Okay, if it has to do with any of that, making money on Forex, making money online, fitness when it comes to working out, losing fat. It's the beginning of the year. People want to look sexy. They're making New Year's goals and want to lose weight. And since the summer's coming up, they want to get that 6-pack. Relationships, people, you're just making new goals and everything for the year. So perhaps you want to get married before the end of the year. This is the time to make the money, guys. So what we're going to do is come here on the left-hand side. I specialize in making money online. So I'm not going to choose that category today. I'm going to choose something totally different. Let's say relationships. I said health, wealth, and relationships. Where relationships be at? There's health and fitness. There's the other one. New age belief, alternative beliefs, parenting, families. Where are you? Let me see how. I looked up some earlier. Let me just hit this sign here. Let me push pause for a second. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I found it. I think I found it at least. Here on the left-hand side, you see self-help. Okay, you can see all of this cool stuff. Dating guides, right? Eating disorders, general marriage and relationships. Go ahead and select that whole thing. Boom, which I already did. And you see a list of all of the products. Okay, now what's going to be ranked first is, or how products is going to be sorted in order to find a good product, is first sorted out by rank. We don't want that. Okay, just because somebody says it's good and it's popular doesn't mean that it sells. We want stuff that sells. So we're going to click that and go to gravity. Now, gravity, if we come down here, you can see gravity is 199, gravity is 160, gravity is 102. Okay, these are your different products. And so with this, what gravity essentially means within a 30 to 60 day period, nobody really knows the truth, whether it's 30 or 60 days. Some people say 30, some people say 60, but within this specific time period, it means that one person has sold at least one product or more. Okay, so over the course of 30 to 60 days, I believe it's 30 days, nearly 200 people has sold one or more product. Now, the cool thing about this, that one person could have sold one product, or they could have sold thousands of products of this product within 30 days. And that's what we're going to be doing once we add the fuel of Bing ads, Microsoft ads to what we are doing. Okay. Now, I told you, you want to find something in our case with relationships, his secret obsession. That sounds pretty cool right there. All right. 160 gravity. Nice. So, some people out there, I'm not going to say any names, but some people say not to promote anything over like 100 gravity and all that stuff. Look, the thing's making money. If this is your first time, you want to make the easiest dollar possible. Okay. So in order to do that, I recommend that you promote anything that is a gravity of 50 and up. Okay. That's just my opinion. So I'm familiar with this one, text chemistry. Okay. And I'm not going to talk about that one since that is one that I'm familiar with. So I'm just going to go here, his secret obsession. Let's see what this is about. Get 90% commissions on front and back end sales, affiliates seeing insane EPCs, yada, yada, yada. So we're going to go here where it says affiliate page. And we're going to check out the JV page. Why do we want to do that? We want to see what they have to offer. We want to see what the commission rates are, all that stuff. We want to see how cool the page looks. Now, fortunately, I already know that this product sells a ton, so I'm not really worried about that. Aha. This is what I was really looking for. This is what I wanted to show you guys. This is what makes or break a funnel. Okay, so first of all, the product has to be good. If you send emails out or traffic, whether it's Bing, Facebook, whatever, they can go from the ad or your message to a landing page to all this stuff. And they can even get as far as the shopping cart of the offer, right? But they will not purchase if your product is not good. That's why I say you have to make sure you have a good product. Now here, us as an affiliate, we're interested in commission. We're paying out a minimum of 75% on every product in this funnel. Are you kidding me? Every product in this funnel, because we want to work with you as a long-term partner. These guys are so freaking smart. Okay. And what they're not telling you is that if you continue to run a lot of traffic and get sales, they will probably give you 90% on this first product here. Okay. I'll explain later. So whenever they go, we're just going to go ahead and create a affiliate link here. Copy. So that we can look at what the product looks like. So we go to the home page. Very simple. And so it seems as if it's just a regular video that plays for a certain amount of minutes. And then after that, an offer will pop up. Aha. I moved my mouse up here and it gave me like this pop-up, which I figured it would because all of your top pages do this. So hold on, don't leave this page, click here, yada, yada, yada. Let's go ahead and click and see what happens. Okay. So they do this to get your email address, and then they'll probably promote more offers, which will most likely have your email link as well. But the page looks good. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna just let it play to see by the time we end this video. There's no volume. Mute site. There we go. Okay. So I'm trying to wait and see if there's going to be a buy button somewhere so that I can show you guys the buy page. So after you hit this $47 page right here, they purchase, you get $35.25. Then if they move up, we want something with an upsell. Okay. The upsell is $97. If they purchase that, you get $72. So already right here, just off of this one product, you're already at $100. Amazing. Okay. The downsell, let's say they don't want that. Is it the same thing? Maybe they split it in payments or something. I don't know. But then the second upsell is $50 and a third upsell, well, $67 and $29.95. Then you get $50 and $24. So this funnel is ridiculous. You have the opportunity to possibly make close to $200 if somebody purchases all the way through. That's the biggest thing here, guys. That is so huge. If you're trying to promote a product that only has the main product and maybe one upsell, you're not going to make as much money. Because if you get 2 or 3 sales and people just purchase this one, you get $35 for each sell. You're only coming out with like nearly $100 at 3 sales, maybe a little bit more. But let's say on that third sell, somebody goes all the way through the funnel. That's like $300 in your pocket. So you've gone from $100 to $300 just because one person has gone all the way through your funnel. This is powerful, guys. I hope you're picking this up. If this makes sense to you, please drop me some comments down below. Say heck yeah, hashtag I get it, something. Because many people are out there promoting products that do not have a deep funnel. This is why you're losing money, because you are spending $50 in order to get a $27 sale, and that's it. You're not spending $50. If I know that I'm paying $50 and I know that by the third sell, somebody is going to go all the way through this funnel. Let's say that's $150 for me. Let's say I'm paying $50 per sell, and that third sell would put me at $150, but I know I'm going to get in return from out of 3 customers, $300 total. That's 100% return on investment, guys. I put in 150. Well, that's more than 150. I put in 150 and I got 300. Amazing. Okay. This is what you need to keep in mind. These are the type of products you need to look for in order to promote and really crush it and make that $100 per day mark, $1,000 per day mark. It's totally simple and very much attainable, guys. So that's all you need to do. In this video, I'm not really going to go in how to create the ad for this. I will tell you that I use Clickbank in order to track all of my leads. It gets very detailed. I'm able to see who clicks. I'm able to see what ad they click. I'm able to see where the sale came from, what keyword comes from it. So I'll probably link that video somewhere on this page at this moment, and also down in the description below as well. So again, I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Hope I didn't ramble on too much. It is the beginning of the year, and I look forward to hearing what you guys are going to be accomplishing throughout the year. Again, I got a free Bing Ads course for you guys down below that I created for you. Please download it. All you need to do is just give me your email so I can shoot it to that email address. Please give me a very good email. Don't give me no fake email. It's a real video course, okay? I'm hooking you guys up. And if you want the link over to Click Magic, that's down in the description. It is an affiliate link, so if you choose to sign up with them, I recommend that you get their $17 per month product. I believe they have a 30-day free trial. I do get a shared commission, I do get a share of that commission. Just want you guys to know I'm going to be very upfront. I also use ClickFunnels in order to make my landing pages and stuff if I don't do direct linking, which is what I'm teaching you guys here. So on to the next video. We'll talk to you guys later. If you got any more questions, hit me up. Also hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Talk to you guys later.